Welcome back to MEME means Make Math Easy. Today I will tell the definition of complementary angle. Supplementary angle means संपूरक कोण और कोटपूरक कोण. मीन्स आज का टॉपिक किसी भी कंपटीशन के लिए और एकेडमिक स्टूडेंट के लिए मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट होगा. फर्स्ट वी सॉल्व द फाइंड द complement of this angle and this angle. We define the complementary angle. The sum of two angles is 90 degree are called complementary angles and each angle is known as the complement of the others. अर्थात दो कोणों का सम अगर 90 डिग्री हो तो वे दोनों कोण एक दूसरे के कोटपूरक अर्थात कंप्लीमेंट कहलाते हैं. और दूसरा एंगल फाइंड करने के लिए 90 डिग्री में से फर्स्ट एंगल को फाइंड माइनस कर देते हैं तो दूसरा एंगल फाइंड हो जाता है. फ्रॉम दिस क्वेश्चन इफ यू ड्रा ए फिगर, हियर इज गिवन टू एंगल्स, दिस एंगल एंड दिस एंगल. द सम ऑफ दीज टू एंगल्स इज 90 डिग्री. वन इज गिवन जस्ट लाइक 55 डिग्री 55 मिनट्स. तो देयर विल बी दिस एंगल 90 minus this. If this is given this, want to find this value of this 90 minus this, because the sum of these both angles will be 90 degree. Hence from this question we first find the therefore complement of (55° 55 minutes) is equal to 90 minus 55° 55 minutes. Here is given minutes. We know that 1 degree equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 1 degree equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. With the help of this and this scale, we can find the value of this. Therefore, 90 degree, if we subtract 1 from 90 degree, it will be 89 degree and 1 degree change into 60 minutes. Therefore, it will be 60 minutes and minus 55 degree and 55 minutes. Therefore, it will be easily solved. 60 minutes minus 55 minutes, it will be 5 minutes, and there will be 89 degree minus 55, 9 minus 5 4, and 8 minus 5 3 degree. Therefore, complement of this angle, it will be 34 degree and 5 minutes. It is your answer. And second question is that complement of 60 degree 48 minutes and 34 seconds. Therefore 90 minus, because sum of two angle will be complement. Therefore 90 degree minus 60 degree 48 minutes and 34 seconds. With the help of this scale, we can change this 90 degree change into 89 degree and 1 degree change into minutes. Therefore 60 minutes and 1 minute change into second means 60 second. Therefore 60 minutes less 1 minute, it will be 59 minutes, and this will be 60 degree 48 minutes and 34 seconds. After subtracting, we get 0 minus 4 6, 5 minus 3 2, this is second, and 9 minus 8 1, and 5 minus 4 1, 9 minus 0 9, or 8 minus 6 2. There will be 29 seconds, 29 degree 11 minutes and 26 seconds. What is the supplement of this angle? According to the definition, we know that the sum of two angles will be 180 degree and each angle known as the supplement of other. Therefore, if you draw a figure, here is two angles. This is the straight angle, means 180 degree. This angle let 67 degree and 52 minutes. Therefore, this angle 180 minus this will be 180 minus this come this angle. If given this angle, this, to find this angle 180 minus this, therefore find the other angle. Therefore, the sum of two angles always comes 180 degree, is known as supplementary angle, and each angle known as the supplement of other. Therefore, the supplement of this angle will be supplement of 67 degree 52 minutes. It will be 180 minus this. We know that 1 degree equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Therefore, 180 change into minute and second. Therefore, it will be 179 degree and 1 degree change into minute. There will be 60 minute, and this minus this. (60 minute minus 52 minutes), there will be 8 minutes, and 179 degree minus 67 degree, 9 minus 7, 2, 6, 7 minus 6, 1 and 1. There will be 112 degree and 8 minutes. This is the complement of this angle, and the sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. The supplement of (109 degree, 40 minutes and 27 seconds). Therefore, 180 minus this will be, therefore 180 degree minus 109 degree, 40 minutes and 27 seconds. This change into this and this form. There will be 180 change into 179 degree, and 1 degree change into minute, and 1 minute change into second. Therefore, it will be 60 seconds. Therefore, it will be 109 degree, 40 minutes and 27 seconds. After subtracting, we get 60 minus 27 minutes, and there will be 9, means 19, and 9 minus 9, 0, and 7, 70. Therefore, it will be 70 degree, 19 minutes and 33 seconds. This is the complement of this angle,